might not realize it at first, or have a clue that anything is wrong. But you are suffering. Suffering from a condition called Fluidium, a serious condition that's spreading at a pandemic rate. And it results in low levels of amusement, along with elevated levels of awkwardness and uncertainty. Some side effects include loud talking,
I'll have another ginger wheatgrass, please.
excessive laughter, and numbness to pain. At CAT, we have the solution. When you use the right fluids, your whole outlook changes. You have peace of mind. You're more productive, and you achieve new levels of performance. Fluidium can be diagnosed by a qualified CAT dealer, and they can quickly get you on the road to recovery. If you or someone you know or love is afflicted by Fluidium, visit stopfluidium.com.
I beat Fluidium.
I beat Fluidium. And now, I'm in control of my emotions.